Yeah, so you know what to do now?
And you know what to do now. Flawless.
I will project this.
How now, brown cow? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is... Yeah, come back. Checking the mic. Check the hello. Get the ring light. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a mini review on a Kenji, Hitohira. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a mini review on a Hitohira. I keep wanting to say Kenji. Why? Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a mini review on a Hitohira Togashi Kasumi 240mm Kiritsuke Gyoto. I know that's a mouthful. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Franco Allo, and this knife channel is all about knife reviews, unboxings. Fuck, I don't even know what the channel is about. What's typically on the banner? Reviews, unboxings.
Head to heads.
That's the last one. Testing the sound. Look at the house. Focus. Pocus. Focus. Pocus.
Forward focus. What towels do you want me to wash?
So it gives us that forward momentum to help us cut through chicken. Momentum. Enjoyed that. If you haven't watched the latest unboxing though of the what? No. Unboxing because we're leaving to camp tomorrow and yeah. Alright, doing a test in my birthday suit. Doing a test in my birthday suit. What do you think of me? Becca? Is your door open? What's up, everyone? Welcome back. What? You know what? Let's keep going. What? Alright, everyone, so welcome back. So what you saw was me using... But that's what I want to test. Oh,
Stop yourself.
it touched you.
It touched me.
That's where the middle is. Morning, boys. Dying. And here's an orange. This is a knife now, though. Let's pretend, okay? Are you fucking focusing? I want to be able to focus right in front of me. Focus, just in case it's off. Actually, I didn't even set it. Testing again because my big fat fucking head is never in the thingy. Is it in now? How do you like now? Focus. This is a knife. You have one shot at this. Thank you. Let me try this. I think it works better.
You want some spoon?
Testing one last fucking time. Can't use this for bloopers. Got demonetized. I'm gonna get demonetized. Focus. Focus, yeah. That's it. With this type of knife, if you're inattentive, god damn it, Kino. This is the one, baby. Ah, shit, I knocked the camera. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Sharp Knife Shop. Sharp Knife Shop. Thanks for... No. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Haha, I don't know what I'm saying.